everyone, I am Sarah Kama Espanyol and this is my topic, the Tourism Distribution Channel. Tourism Distribution Channel produces the link between the suppliers of travel services and the consumer. So Tourism Distribution Channel is a system of distribution that makes the product available. And one of the example of tourism distribution channel is a social media. It is a effective way to reach new customer, so it's definitely worth considering as one of your distribution channel. The World Tourism Organization has identified the following function which intermediaries perform on behalf of producers. Number one, intermediaries can achieve better results in the field of distribution and selling than the producers himself through specialization. They have direct contact with the markets and potential customer, which would be difficult and more costly for the producers. Number two, intermediaries assemble the heterogeneous services of different producers into a package of services that is meaningful and attractive to the customer. And intermediaries not only create a complete package of tourist services, but also source of information about destination, types of services and their advantages and disadvantages. This giving the potential tourist a wide range of choice and alternatives. Tourism distribution system. There are three types of travel intermediaries: the travel agent, the tour operator, and the specialty intermediaries. Let's start with travel agent. Arranges travel services from suppliers such as airlines, bus company, railroads, cruise ships, companies, car rental agencies, hotel and sightseeing operators. They help people make travel arrangements. So in general, there are two types of travel agent. Number one is the wholesale travel agent or wholesaler. They are the one who organize their packages, which are sold to the public through a network or rental agent, and also they are the one who purchase hotels and sell it to the OTA or online travel agent. Number two is a retail travel agent. They handle the actual sale of tours, air tickets, and other travel services. And next is the tour operators. The services offered by a tour operator may vary from basic airfare, transfer, hotels, meals, and sightseeing to entertainment. They manage the tour from beginning to the end of the tour. And last is the specialty intermediaries. It includes incentive travel firms, meeting and convention planners, hotels, representative interline. These intermediaries may represent either buyers or suppliers and have the power to influence how, where, or when the travel product will be distributed. Examples of specialty intermediaries. Incentive travel company, a chip designed to motivate, incentivize, and reward employers or business associates. Number two, meeting and convention planners and destination planners. It specializes in planning and organizing meetings mainly for corporate clients and professional association. Number three, corporate travel firms. They specialize in handling corporate travel accounts. Number four, motor coach brokers. These intermediaries organize coach tours to full-time professional. Three types of distribution channel. Product supplier consumer. It is a direct selling of airline tickets and hotel rooms to the consumer. Number two, product supplier travel agent. Consumer channel. They are the one who provides product and services to the consumer. Number three is the supplier product tour operator consumer channel. It strives to create demand, make arrangement with the supplies such as block booking on airlines and hotels. Types of distribution channel has three classification. Number one, consensus channel. The several participants in the system work together for their mutual interest. Number two, vertically integrated channels. The function of production and retail distribution are owned and controlled by a single company. Number three, vertically coordinated channels. Control over the channel comes from contractual or financial commitments with retail agent. What is the relation of distribution to marketing? Refers to the flow of goods and services from the producer or manufacturer to the buyer or consumer.